Hi guys, welcome along to another video. I'm about to give the Evo a clean up. I wasn't going to do a cleaning video, and it probably won't be a full on how to, because everyone knows how to clean a car, or I'd like to think they do. I'd just like to show you how dirty this thing is. Start at the back end. It's absolutely filthy. It might not come out on camera, I don't like doing this, but just to show you. Gives you an idea of how dirty this thing is. Yeah, really quite bad. So we're going to give it a clean. We've got a show at the weekend, and I can't. There you go. Yeah, it's filthy. So covered in bugs, like as you can see, cobwebs. You can see them on the camera. Yeah, so I'm going to get this thing cleaned up. It's amazing actually how much it still shines even when it's filthy. But we'll get it cleaned up, and I need to get the engine covered because, as you can see through there, you can see the engine. So I'll get my little fix up and show you what to do for that, and then we'll get on with it. Okay then. So there's a daily, looking pretty clean. I do like that car. That is good fun car. That is slow but looks good, fun to drive in its own little way, because it doesn't need much to me to do. It does everything itself. Bit different to this one. Okay, get the bonnet up on here. As you can see on there, bugs and all sorts of stuff. So it is nice and cold. Yeah, that's okay. Not going to burn anything. So I use this, which is just an old piece of cardboard from an old trolley jack. You can see it's quite old. Yeah, I'm not changing the colour or nothing. The actual cardboard has gone a bit pinky. It's that old. It sits inside a shed in front of the window, so you can see the colour rocker cover, and but that works. It does the job. And then got this piece of plastic, polyurethane, whatever it is. Plastic, just a massive plastic bag, really. Come off one of our old kitchen appliances. I think this come off either the dishwasher or the washing machine. I can't really remember. But anyway, cover that on there like that. So there we go. Engine protected. That's the plan. There we are. As you can see, engine covered. I still do get water getting through there and across the other side, but it all depends if I'm too aggressive with the pressure washer. So right, pressure washer out, and that is get this cleaned up. Okay, so this is the snow film gun I use. Fits on the end of my Karcher. There you go, which is the K4 full control. And I use this Pro Clean snow film gun, all adjustable up there. I've had it for a few years now. It's pretty good, does the job. I've got some detailed online snow film in there. I think it's the cherry one from memory. It does smell like cherry, so I'm guessing that's what it is. So I'm going to hook up to this, and then we'll start getting the car done. I just thought I'd show you what I use anyway, just in case anyone was wondering. It's pretty good stuff. Okay guys, catch up in a bit. Right then, before I start, I will just show you, I've got this extra little room through here. There's all my all my cleaning stuff. That's some spare stuff I got. That's where I get it from. Snow foam. I get an awful lot of stuff from these guys. Some Maguire's up there. Some Dodo juice. Armour all. Yeah, so I have this little room in here. So it's got a glass kind of roof, Perspex type, and yeah, keep all my stuff in here. All my car cleaner stuff. Keep it out of the way of the wife. That way it keeps her happy. So yeah, just sort of show you where I've got all my bits and pieces. Right. Oh, another thing. I used hot water. I use hot water in that when I mix it up. I just find that lathers up a little bit better. So I'll get hold of the lance and we'll go over the car a little bit and see exactly how much of the ceramic wax is still on the car. Should be quite a bit. So even with the dirt on there, we'll see how the water reacts. Okay, let's get on with it. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to stop the video as my neighbour was starting her car up and I didn't want it to affect the video too much. So anyway, I now have the lance. I'm going to pop the camera in my mouth and we will hit the car with the water first of all to get the worst of the dirt off and see how it reacts. Okay, so as you can see from that, when the water hits the vinyl, I mean this is vinyl wrap, sorry about my fingers in the way, this is vinyl wrap, but when the water does hit it, even though it is wrap and not paint, because it's got ceramic wax on it, the water just doesn't stick, look. Brilliant. Right, let's get the foam on there. Let it dwell for a little while. I'll go around the other side. I don't want to show you that. I just want to see how the water reacts, even though the car is dirty, and how it reacts with the ceramic on there. Okay, let's get the other side done, and then we'll come back when I've got the foam on. Okay then. Car is fully soaked up. Got the snow foam attached to the lance. Let's get it on. Okay, that'll do. Leave that on there to soak in and loosen off the dirt, and then I will get down to cleaning it. Even the snow foam has trouble gripping to it at the moment because of the ceramic wax on there, but that's not a bad thing. It's all good. Okay guys, I'll catch up with you in a bit. So here's my shampoo of choice. I've got plenty of this over in there, and it's really good stuff. You don't need a lot, really don't need a lot at all. I will just put some in the bucket. That will do it. That will do it. While that's running, I'll just show you I've got two wheel brushes, probably both the same, totally unnecessary to have two I guess, but black and white one is for the Mercedes, and what I call purple and white one is for the Evo. So that can go in there. We'll always get the wheels done first, get them out of the way, and then we'll get on with it. You can see this. That's run up nice. See all the snow film's just about gone now, so I will give that a, you can see that's just about gone there. So I will give that a quick rinse off. There you go, not really enough in there. Okay, catch up with you in a bit. Okay, car is now clean. I do believe what it just said I cleaned the wheels first. I don't. The wheels I haven't done yet. I do the wheels last. It's on that I do the wheels first because they have got a lot of spokes on them, as you can see. So I do the wheels first on that one. Don't use the same bucket obviously. Just clean the wheels and I do that. But this one I do the car first because the wheels are really easy to keep clean on here. Very easy to keep clean, not hard to clean at all, so they probably don't need much doing. I haven't touched them yet, and you can see they're not really that dirty. But I will do them anyway, because that's all part of getting it done, and then I'll dry it off. Anyway, I thought I'd just clear that up, because I'm fairly sure I haven't looked at back yet, because I haven't edited nothing at this present moment in time, because I'm still in the middle of cleaning the car. But I didn't want anyone saying to me, oh, you shouldn't be cleaning your wheels first. Yeah, I do. On this one I don't. On that one I do, because yeah, no, that's no big deal. Okay, anyway, let's crack on. And just like that, the car is done. To dry it off, I did use a big microfiber towel that I've got, and I also use this. That's what is it? There you go. Hoftech from Germany. It's not got no battery on it. You can see it's a plug-in air blower, and it works a treat for getting there. I see I've got a bit of rust forming on the discs already. But it works a treat getting all the water out from all there, all down here, and the wheels and everything. Yeah, just helps no end. Gets all the water out from the mirrors. Well, you always get some. I always find I get a load anyway. Always getting water traps. Gets all the water from out under in there. Yeah, great bit of kit. This fantastic. I use it every time, so makes the job so much easier. Okay, I'll leave it there. Just watch it to see how clean it comes up. So I haven't done anything apart from washed it, chamoised it, and dried it. I'm a little bit worn out. That's come up really well, really well. I might go over it with some ceramic detailing spray. I probably will actually probably do that. Yeah, okay. Well, anyway, I'm going to leave it there. There's the car all done. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it as always. See you in another one. Cheers, guys.